Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC systems, are essential for maintaining comfortable living and working spaces. They control temperature, humidity, and air quality, ensuring a pleasant indoor environment regardless of the weather outside. HVAC systems are crucial for our health and well-being, as they prevent extreme temperatures and maintain good air quality. Imagine a scorching summer day without an air conditioner. The heat would be unbearable, making it difficult to concentrate or even relax. Similarly, during the cold winter months, a heating system keeps our homes warm and cozy. HVAC systems are not just about comfort, they also protect our health. Proper ventilation, an essential part of HVAC, ensures fresh air circulation, reducing the concentration of indoor air pollutants and allergens. This is particularly important for people with respiratory problems or allergies. Moreover, controlled humidity levels prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which can cause various health issues. In essence, HVAC systems play a vital role in creating a healthy, comfortable, and productive environment in our homes, offices, and other indoor spaces. At the heart of every HVAC system lies a network of electrical components that control and power its operation. Understanding these components is crucial for anyone interested in HVAC repair and maintenance. One of the most important components is the thermostat, which acts as the brain of the system. The thermostat senses the room temperature and sends signals to the HVAC unit to turn on or off or adjust the heating or cooling output. Another crucial component is the contactor, a heavy-duty electrical switch that controls the flow of electricity to the compressor, blower motor, and other high-voltage components. Capacitors are another essential part of the electrical system. They store electrical energy and release it in short bursts, providing the initial power surge needed by motors to start up. HVAC systems also rely on various sensors, such as temperature sensors, pressure sensors, and airflow sensors, to monitor different system parameters and provide feedback to the control system. These sensors ensure the system operates efficiently and safely. Understanding the function of these electrical components is key to diagnosing and troubleshooting problems in HVAC systems. Working with HVAC electrical systems can be hazardous if proper safety precautions are not taken. It is crucial to remember that electricity can be dangerous and even fatal if not handled with care. Always turn off the power supply to the HVAC unit before performing any electrical work. This includes disconnecting the circuit breaker or removing the fuse that supplies power to the unit. Use a voltage tester to double-check that the power is off before touching any wires or components. When working on electrical components, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. These will protect you from electrical shocks and arc flashes. Never work on an HVAC system alone. Always have a qualified person nearby who can assist you in case of an emergency. Every HVAC technician needs a set of essential tools to diagnose and repair electrical problems in HVAC systems. A digital multimeter is a must-have tool for measuring voltage, current, resistance, and continuity in electrical circuits. It helps identify faulty components and wiring issues. A clamp meter is another valuable tool that allows technicians to measure the current flowing through a wire without disconnecting it. This is particularly useful for troubleshooting motors and other high-current components. A set of insulated screwdrivers and nut drivers is essential for safely tightening and loosening electrical connections. Wire strippers and crimpers are used to prepare wires for connections, while a soldering iron comes in handy for making permanent electrical connections.